Ripple is on the brink of the biggest partnership yet. It is going to be massive. And also tomorrow is a date to remember if you hold XRP. You're going to want to check this out. And if that's something you're interested in, smash that like button, that bell notification. Subscribe if you feel like it. Let's jump straight into it. As you guys can see, it says XRP news today. $10 price target in sight as Saudi Arabia eyes Ripple partnership amid China trade war easing. This is awesome. Saudi Arabia is very wealthy. While XRP offers institutional strength and macro exposure, especially with potential partnerships like that with Saudi Arabia, Strato VM presents early stage innovation in the burgeoning field of Bitcoin DeFi. Now, that is something new that's supposedly partnering with XRP to help things move a different way. It also, I believe, is a link to Bitcoin. So I believe this is how everything starts to come together, where Bitcoin gets traded as a decentralized asset like it has been, just only a lot faster. Don't mark my words on this. I will keep you guys updated. However, we are here for the XRP news about Saudi Arabia. It says here XRP sets sights on $10 amid Saudi Arabia partnership talks. Now, the cryptocurrency market is abuzz today with XRP making headlines as analysts project a potential surge to $10, fueled by reports of Saudi Arabia considering a partnership with Ripple. This is big. Man, you just pray they do. I got a good feeling they are, because they are smart people. XRP is currently trading at $2.53, making a 20% gain over the past week. Market analysts remain optimistic, pointing to a breakout from a bullish pennant pattern and strong investor accumulation. Over 1.10 billion tokens have been purchased in the last week. In parallel, the broader crypto space is heading up with developments in block DAG technology, which many believe could reshape the future of blockchain scalability. Adding another layer of excitement for investors watching Ripple's ecosystem and its place in the evolving decentralized landscape. So as Ripple is adopting, perks and utilities are being integrated and adding into Ripple, the ledger, and XRP. So that all is massive news. Now, tomorrow, guys, CME, the CME group is launching their first XRP futures on Monday. Okay, that is tomorrow, May 19th. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group, the world's leading derivatives marketplace, is expecting to launch XRP futures and micro XRP future contracts on Monday, May 19th, aiming to expand its suite of regulated crypto derivatives to include the fourth largest digital asset by market capitalization. The contracts will be available for trading on CME Globex and cleared through CME Clearport, with access beginning Sunday evening, May 18th, for after-hours participants, as noted in CME's notice. Each XRP futures contract will represent 50,000 XRP, while the micro XRP futures will represent 2,500 XRP, both cash settled based on the CME CF XRP dollar reference rate. Fees vary by participant type and venue. So tomorrow, guys, CME rolls out a whole new innovative way to expand XRP, the ledger, and Ripple's ecosystem. So I'm pretty excited, regardless of the lawsuit, because at this point, you know as well as I do, we don't give a damn about that lawsuit no more. It's this way, it's that way, it's up, it's down. Tomorrow it might be left. Who cares anymore? It's not affecting the price that much. So I really wouldn't be too worried about it with the catalysts that are to come. Now, let's step into the XRP live chart. Okay, guys, now that I got the XRP live chart pulled up, I'm starting on the 5-minute for a reason. This is an immediate short-term prediction here. Well, not a prediction. It's what is actually playing out. Now, what is going on right now, guys, is we are getting what looks to me as an inverted cup and handle pattern, guys. Okay, now as you guys can see, this is the neckline of it. Actually, yes, about right here. Now what happened, we broke it. We tried to come back up, we did not. Now this pattern has done confirmed a break to the bottom. How far is it going? If this is the neckline about here, let's go from the top to the bottom on the potential breakout, which will put us right back on top of this support line for this falling wedge pattern. So it seems what's actually going on right now, guys, or I'm sorry, in the bull pennant pattern that we are in. Let me pull up the 4R. Yes, here we are. As you guys can see, we broke down out of the bull pennant and we are back up into it. Very nice V-shaped recovery. On top of that, we could be forming an inverse head and shoulders as we speak. If we break the neckline here, we can measure from the neckline to the head and move it to our potential breakout, and could give us a nice boost up to the top of this bull pennant, which we would be eyeing about $3 if we break out of it. So in the immediate short term, though, fellas, it's not looking too good. It looks like we're about to come back down and retest. I would say the low would be about $2.38. It's not a huge dip because this is a zoomed in version of the chart. Like I said, it's the 15-minute. If this would have been the 4-hour or the daily, might be a problem. However, patterns play out, mainly bearish patterns play out so that bullish patterns can play out afterwards. So if you guys stay with me to the very end, I really appreciate it. Check out my latest stuff on the left. You can subscribe on the right. Until the next video, fellas, y'all take care of yourself and each other.